Okay, this is his translation of Sri Radhikaya Kripa Kataska Stotram. O goddess, worshipped by the kings of sages, O goddess who removed the sufferings of the three worlds, O goddess whose face is a blossoming lotus, O goddess who enjoy pastimes in the forest, root of Rishabhanu, O companion of Vajra's prince, when will you cast your merciful glance, sidelong glance upon me? O goddess staying in a wine cottage by an Ashoka tree, O goddess whose delicate feet are as splendid as red blossoms, O goddess whose hand grants fearlessness, O abode of transcendental opulences, when will you cast a merciful sidelong glance upon me? O goddess who playfully shooting the arrows of your glances from the curved bows of your auspicious amorous eyebrows have completely subdued Nan's son Krishna. When will you cast his merciful sidelong glance upon me? O goddess whose form is as splendid as champaka flowers, gold and lightning. O goddess whose face eclipses millions of autumn moons. O goddess whose eyes are wonderful, restless young chakora birds. When will you cast your merciful sidelong glance upon me? O young girl intoxicated with passion. O goddess decorated with cheerful, jealous anger. O goddess who passionately love your beloved Krishna. O goddess learned in playful arts. O goddess expert at enjoying amorous pastimes in the kingdom of the peerlessly opulent forest groves of Vrindavan. When will you cast your merciful sidelong glance upon me? O goddess decorated with a pearl necklace of bold amorous hints. O goddess as fair as gold. O goddess whose breasts are great golden water pots. O ocean of happiness filled with the scented powders of gentle smiles. When will you cast a merciful sidelong glance upon me? O goddess whose arms are lotus stalks dancing in the waves. O goddess whose dark eyes are dancing vines. O playful, beautiful, charming goddess, when will you cast your merciful sidelong glance upon me? O goddess whose arm, sorry, I lost where I was. O goddess whose arms are lotus stalks dancing in the waves. O goddess whose dark eyes are dancing vines. O playful, beautiful, charming goddess, when will you cast your merciful sidelong glance upon me? O goddess who wear a golden necklace on the three-lined conch shell of your neck. O goddess splendid with 3 jasmine garlands and 3 jeweled necklaces. O goddess whose moving locks of dark hair are decorated with bunches of flowers. When will you cast a merciful sidelong glance upon me? O goddess who wear a sash of flowers on your curved hips. O goddess charming with a sash of tinkling jeweled bells. O goddess whose beautiful thighs punish the legal elephant's trunk. It's on the chair. When will you cast your merciful sidelong glance upon me? O goddess whose anklets tinkling is more beautiful than the sounds of many mantras and the cooing of many regal swans. O goddess whose graceful motions mock the moving golden vines, when will you cast your merciful glance upon me? O goddess worshipped by Brahma, O goddess of whom countless millions of Vaishnavas bow down, O goddess who give blessings to Parvati, Sachi, and Saraswati, O goddess whose toenails are anointed with limitless opulences and mystic perfections, when will you cast a merciful sidelong glance upon me? O queen of Vedic sacrifices, O queen of pious activities, O queen of the material world, O queen of the demigods, O queen of Vedic scholarship, O queen of knowledge, O queen of the goddesses of fortune, O queen of patience, O queen of Vrindavan, the forest of happiness, O queen of Raj, O empress of Raj, O Sri Radhika, obeisances to you. Upon hearing this most astonishing prayer of mine being recited by a devotee, may Sri Vrishabhanu Nandini constantly make him the object of her most merciful sidelong glance. At that time, all his karmic reactions, whether mature, fructifying, or lying in seed, will be completely destroyed, and then he will gain entrance into the assembly of Nandanandan's eternal loving associates. If a sadhaka with purified intelligence recites a stava with a fixed mind on the lunar days, known as the full moon day, the bright Ashtami, the Dasmi, the Ekadashi, and the Trayodasi, and each and every one of his desires will be fulfilled one by one by the merciful sidelong glance of Sri Radha, who will obtain devotional service that has a special symptom of being imbued with pure ecstatic love of God, Prema. That sadhaka who recites the stava 100 times while standing in the waters of Sri Radha Kund, up to his thighs, navel, chest, or neck, will attain complete perfection in the 5 goals of human existence, namely Dharma, Artha, Kam, Moksha, and Prema. He will also attain the power by which everything he says will come true. He becomes very powerful and opulent due to attaining transcendental majesty, and he gets to meet Sri Radhika face to face, seeing her even with his present eyes. By such chanting of his prayer in Radhakund, Sri Radhika becomes so pleased that she instantly bestows a great benediction on the devotee, which is that he sees her beloved Shyam Sundar with his very own eyes. Then that Lord of Vrindavan grants the devotee entrance into his eternal pastimes. Genuine Vaishnavas hanker for nothing beyond this. Thus ends the Sri Radhika Kripa Kataska Stotram found in the Uddhavanaya Tantra.
Jai. Srimati Radharani ki jai, Radha Kund ki jai. So 100 times we have to say, chant this 19 verses and standing in the waters of Radha Kund up to the thighs, navel, chest or neck. Okay, at least once in our life, we'll have to do that.
Munindra Vrinda Vandite Triloka Shoka Harini Prasanna Vatra Pankaje Nikunja Bhuvilasini Vrajendra Bhanu Nandini Vrajena Sunu Sangate Kada Karishasi Hamam कृपाकटाक्ष भाजनम् अशोकवृक्षवल्लरी वितानमण्डपस्थिते प्रवालवालपल्लव प्रभारुणाग्रिकोमले वराभयसुराकरे प्रभूत सम्पदालये कदा करिष्य मां कृपा कटाक्ष भाजनम् अनङ्गरङ्ग मङ्गल प्रसङ्ग भङ्गुर भ्रुवं सव्रीभ्रमं सभ्रामं दृगन्तबाण पातने निरन्तरं वशीकृता प्रतीति नन्दनन्दने कदा करिष्यसि मां कृपाकटाक्ष भाजनम् तदित्सुवर्ण चम्पकपदीप्त गौरविग्रहे मुख प्रभापरास्तकोटि शारदेन्दुमन्दरे विचित्रचेत संचर चकोर चावलोचने कदा करिष्यसि मां कृपाकटाक्ष भाजनम् मदोन्मदाति यौवने प्रमोदमान मन्दिके प्रियानुरागरञ्जिते कलाविलासपण्डिते अनन्यधन्य कुञ्जराजकामकेलिकोविदे कदा करिष्यसि मां कृपाकटाक्ष भाजनम् अशेष हाव भाव धीर धीरहार भूषिते प्रभूत सात कुंभ कुंभ कुंभि कुंभ सुस्तनि प्रशास्त मंद हास्य चूर्ण पूर्ण सौख्य सागरे कदा करिष्यसि मां कृपाकटाक्ष भाजनम् मृणाल वाल वल्लरी तरंग रंग दोलते लताग्रलास्य लोल नीललोचनावलोकने ललल्लुलन्मिलन्मनोज्ञमुग्धमोहनाश्रिते कदा करिष्यसि मां कृपाकटाक्षभाजनम् सुवर्णमालिकञ्चितत्रिरेककम्बुकन्तगे श्रीसूत्रमङ्गली गुणत्रिरत्नदीप्तिदीधिति सलोलनीलकुन्तला प्रसूनगुच्छगुम्फिते कदा करिष्यसि मां कृपाकटाक्षभाजनम् नितम्बबिम्बलम्बमानपुष्पमेखलागुणे प्रशास्तरत्नकिङ्किणी कलापमध्यमञ्जुले करीन्द्रशुण्डगन्धिका वरोहशोभगोरुके कदा करिष्यसि मां कृपाकटाक्षभाजनम् अनेकमन्त्रनादमञ्जुनूपुरा रवस्कलत् समाजतराजहंसवंसनिग्वनाति कौरवे विलोलहेमवल्लरी विदम्बिचारुचङ्क्रमे कदा करिष्यसि मां कृपाकटाक्षभाजनम् अनन्तकोटिविष्णुलोक नम्रपद्मजाचिते हिमाद्रिजापुलोमजा विरिञ्च जावर्पादे अपार सिद्धिरिद्धिकीर्त सत्पदाङ्गुलीनके कदा करिष्यसि मां कृपाकटाक्षभाजनम् मखेश्वरी गृहेश्वरी स्वधेश्वरी सुरेश्वरी त्रिवेदभारतीश्वरी प्रमाणशासनेश्वरी रमेश्वरी क्षमेश्वरी प्रमोदकाननेश्वरी व्रजेश्वरी व्रजाधिपे शिराधिके नमोऽस्तुते इति मम अद्भुतं स्तवं निशम्य भानुनन्दिनी करोतु सन्तं जन्कृपाकटाक्षभाजनं भवेत् तदैव सञ्चिता त्रिरूपकर्मनाशनं भवेत् तदा व्रजेषु नो मण्डलप्रवेशनम् राकायं च सीताम्यं दामयां च विशुद्धे एकादशां त्रयोदशां यपते सदकसुधि यं यं कामयते कामं तं तमाप्तु साधका राधा कृपा कटाक्षेण भक्ति स्यात् प्रेमलक्षणम् उरुदङ्निनाभिदङ्निरीदङ्निकान्तदङ्के राधा कुञ्जले स्थिता यपते साधकशतं तस्य सवर्तसिद्धि स्यात् वाक्सामर्थ्यं तथा लभेत् ऐश्वर्यं च लभेत् साक्षात् दृशा पश्यति राधिकम् तेन सत्क्षणादेव तुष्टादते महावरम् येन पश्यति नेत्रम्यां तत्प्रियं श्यामसुन्दरम् नित्यलीला प्रवेशं च ददाति श्रीव्रजाधिप अतः परातरं प्रत्यं वैष्णवस्य न विद्यते। इति श्रीमद् उद्धामनये श्रीराधिकाय कृपाकटाक्षोष्टं सम्पूर्णम्।
जय
जय।
हरे कृष्ण प्रभुजी।
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
So very well sang, Karuna Bandar. Karuna Bandar ki jai, Radha Kund ki jai, Srila Prabhupada ki jai, Guru Maharaj ki jai.